The crack might feel good, but it's the underlying problem which is the important part. Explaining what the crack is. What it is essentially small bubbles of gas in the joint fluid that when you increase the volume of the joint, it decreases the pressure inside that joint fluid, and those small bubbles of gas coalesce and then pop, and that's what makes that sound. So essentially what the cracking sound is, or popping sound, is an increase of mobility in that joint. And this is, generally speaking, the goal of our treatment, and then we want to increase the flexibility and the mobility of the joint.